Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest way to prevent members from sending links in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. If you're an admin looking to keep your group free from unwanted links, follow along with these simple steps. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, look for the group where you want to stop members from sending links. Remember, you need to be an admin of this group to change its permissions. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top of the screen, you'll see the group's name. Click on it. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Next, find the edit icon, which looks like a pencil, and click on it. This opens the group's settings menu, where you can manage everything from the group's name to its permissions. Now, go to the permissions section. Here, you'll see a list of what members are allowed to do in your group. Look for the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand more settings related to media sharing. Within these settings, you'll find an option called Embed Links. This is the setting that controls whether members can send clickable links in the group. To prevent members from sharing links, simply disable the Embed Links option. Once you've turned it off, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've now stopped group members from sending links in your Telegram group using the latest update on Telegram Web. This is a great way to keep your group focused, reduce spam, and maintain a safer environment for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other admins who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.